All right, this to me is one of these items that I think is just a staple in any house because you can use them for so many. So this is a pack of zip ties, and it comes with these 5 different sizes, which is perfect. And it's just about 50 per each one. It's a little different in the larger sizes. So what's nice is they do get a little bit thicker. So you can see they get a little thicker as they get larger, which is what you want, and thinner as they're smaller. So here's one of the things that I use them for. So we use them downstairs in our drop sink to catch any of the lint. Like we have a lint filter that we use, and we use this to hold it on. I can just snap it off, cut it off at the end, and it's great. But the other thing is that I do consigning, and when I do consigning, I need to take a tag, and I need to be able to put that into onto the item, right? So I will take a little like this, and then I will put this through with the tag. And then, for example, here's the item that I need to tag. So I will come through like this, and I will just put this right through. And then it's just as easy as doing that. And so now I have this ready to go. The person who's looking to shop knows who they're shopping from and how much these are going to cost. And it's just as easy for people just to cut them right off. So lots of different ways to use this. You know, I use it, for example, I need to tag this, so I will put something around this too. Really, really easy way to handle lots of different things with zip ties. We use it to tie things down temporarily to like our deck. So again, I bought them for one purpose, use them for the other. That's why I think these are things that should always be in your house. It's just a staple of owning a house, because you're going to find reasons that you're going to need these when tape or other things are just not going to work to help you fasten. So get these. You're not going to be disappointed to have these on hand.